Without wasting any time, let's start. How to achieve glass skin as a man. Glass skin refers to a flawless, luminous complexion that appears smooth, clear, and reflective, just like glass. So, gentlemen, let's dive into the secrets of achieving glass skin. Skincare routine. The first step towards attaining glass skin is establishing a consistent skincare routine. It's important to cleanse, exfoliate, tone, and moisturize your skin regularly. Start by using a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, excess oil, and impurities from your face. Follow up with an exfoliator twice a week to remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter and smoother skin. Once you've cleansed and exfoliated, apply a toner to balance your skin's pH levels and prepare it for better absorption of subsequent products. Finally, don't forget to moisturize your skin daily to keep it hydrated and plump. Look for lightweight, non-greasy moisturizers suitable for your skin type. Hydration and diet. Hydration is crucial for achieving glass skin. Make sure you drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from within. Additionally, include foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in your diet. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and foods containing omega-3 fatty acids are excellent choices for healthy skin. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption and smoking, as these habits can dehydrate your skin and contribute to a dull complexion. Getting enough sleep is also essential, as it allows your skin to repair and regenerate, leading to a refreshed and glowing appearance. Sun protection. Protecting your skin from the harmful effects of the sun is vital for maintaining glass skin. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even during cloudy or winter days. Sunscreen helps prevent sunburn, premature aging, and skin damage caused by harmful UV rays. Remember, UV rays can penetrate glass, so don't skip this step even if you spend most of your time indoors. Additionally, wearing a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses when exposed to direct sunlight provides extra protection. Additional skincare tips. Now, let's cover a few additional skincare tips to enhance your glass skin journey. Firstly, avoid harsh skincare products that may irritate your skin. Opt for fragrance-free and hypoallergenic options when possible. Secondly, incorporate a serum into your routine, as it can target specific skin concerns such as uneven skin tone, dark spots, or fine lines. Lastly, don't forget to take care of your lips. Apply a lip balm regularly to keep them moisturized and prevent dryness and chapping. Self-care. Achieving glass skin is not just about skincare, it's also about self-care. Stress can take a toll on your skin, so find ways to relax and unwind. Engage in activities you enjoy. Exercise regularly and practice mindfulness techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Taking care of your mental well-being will reflect positively in your skin's appearance. And there you have it, gentlemen. The secrets to achieving glass skin. By following a consistent skincare routine, staying hydrated, protecting your skin from the sun, and practicing self-care, you'll be well on your way to a flawless and radiant complexion. Remember, skincare is for everyone, and taking care of your skin is an investment in your overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.